Hi, this is Chris Lavin from Extreme Polishing Systems here at our headquarters in Pompano Beach, Florida. And I'm blessed to have everybody here with us that are viewing this right now on the YouTube channel. I'm very excited to talk about Polished Concrete University and how Polished Concrete University came about, why it's here, and why you should be here. First of all, Polished Concrete University came about because I see a huge demand in the market, selling the machines and the equipment, the diamonds and liquids for people that don't have experience that want to learn how to polish concrete. I'd always hold my action-packed day seminars that was normally 2 or 3 times a year. And whenever we'd run that one-day seminar, people would always say, hey, where can I get more education? So with all that in mind, with what I was seeing out in the marketplace by doing contracting and listening to people who don't really know what their expectations are when they're buying polished concrete floors, or they say they want a shiny polished concrete floor and really what they have is a grind and a seal with a epoxy coating or clear coat. I said I have to create some kind of format for people to follow out in the field that makes sense, the way to do it properly. So there is no learning curve for you when you go into the business. I saw a lot of errors that people were making, a lot of people that don't advertise properly, and for a small amount of money, you can correct some of these people and they can become a very profitable business. So a lot of these videos you guys have been watching, some of them have gone viral, a lot of ones on epoxy. You know, people are looking for seamless floors nowadays, and the seamless floors are really the polished concrete, unless you have some cold joints in there, or construction joints, or epoxy floors. So what we've done is we've put together a 1-week class dedicated so that you understand and you know how to sell a job, how to price a job, how to market your company, or bring your people in so that we can teach them how to do the mechanics of the polished concrete floors, the edges, learning how to read a floor, learning how to scratch and figure out the hardness of the floor so you know what types of diamonds to go into the field with, and you know what system you're going to use. Know how to densify a floor, know how to seal a floor, and when to use what particular sealers, what type of business it is, or what type of, you know, what's going to be on the floor. Those are all questions that you need to learn how to ask, and you need how to learn how to handle the objections from the customer, and you need to set the expectations of the customer so you can deliver him a finished product that he's going to be satisfied with, not just for that day, but for years to come. And also get them on how to maintain the floor, because it's a big part of the industry that a lot of people are missing is the maintenance. You are going to just be fascinated and amazed at what you're going to learn in that 1 week. In the first 3 days are full teaching of mechanical and polished floors. You learn about the different grades of polishing, and you learn how to do edges, and you're going to make the whole floor from start to finish. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you're going to learn how to do logos. You're going to learn how to color the floor, and then Thursday, we specialize only in micro toppings and self-leveling concretes on how to obtain those floor finishes for the customer, how to price those, how to advertise for those. And then Friday is our epoxy day, where we learn about doing different types of quartz broadcast, flake broadcast, as well as doing some of the metallic type floors that people are so gung-ho on, and of course the famous glitter floor that we are heavily marketing, and people are just loving it. So anyways, check out the testimonials here. Sit back, go get some popcorn, relax, light up that cigar if you're in your cigar lounge and you're watching this video now. If you have any questions, call me always at the 800 number down below. You can always go on our websites at extremepolishingsystems.com or polishedconcreteuniversity.com. Anyways, they're down below. The class is unbelievable. It's very affordable. It's $1,500 for 5 days, which most people said that I could probably charge twice that. I don't want to. I want to keep it to where people can afford it, okay? If it's something that you just don't have all the money right now, give me a call. We can work out some types of payment terms against credit cards or however it is. We will figure a way to get you down here. Anyways, enjoy the testimonials, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon. So today's Friday. We've gone through the whole week. Obviously, everybody that's out there in YouTube land would like to know what you thought of your whole week experience.
You know what? I learned a lot. This is amazing tools. You know, the teachers are like professional people. I mean, I can't believe what I can learn in just 1 week. This amazing. The whole thing in here. It's a big team. It's a great guys, and I really say thank you for for teaching me. And
What would you say was the number one thing that you got out of this class? You know what I'm saying? Was it epoxy related? Was it polished concrete related? Or I mean, I know you learned a lot about everything, but
right.
like, what do you think you're going to be able to go home with and use like right away?
Well, the polished concrete is a good for a start. I mean, if I can get the right tools with you guys, and if I can, start with the polished concrete, because where I come from is there's a lot of snow. There's and I'm pretty sure it's no problem because you guys give me the solutions. So I think we can use epoxy there. I'm pretty sure about it. The thing is, I learn and I like to start with a polished concrete because I think it's good for a start.
I
And
think there's a good demand for it.
yeah, right.
For sure.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, listen, polished concrete, I'll tell you, it's changed my life. And we're kind of like, we want to teach everybody how to do it because it's going to change their lives too, you know what I'm saying? And I know you might be sitting out there right now, not really knowing what to do with your life, maybe thinking about a new avenue of, you may be you're in the concrete industry?
Yes.
So you're a mason contractor?
Yeah.
Okay, so you install brick and block?
Brick and block and stone. I mean, it's but this is the thing is I have to learn something else.
Right.
I don't want to be stuck for like some reason.
Right.
We never know what
Right.
happens the next day, so we have to be preparing for the future. For the another options.
Right. So if you're in a similar type business, if you're in construction, if you're a mason contractor, if you're a concrete contractor, we have gentlemen here. It's a painting contractor. We have a lot of people that come into this business that are in the cleaning business, where they do stripping and waxing of floors and steam cleaning of carpets. And they're already talking to customers that would like to have polished concrete. So it's a great business. It's a lucrative business. And I'll tell you, if you come here down to South Florida, we're going to show you a great time for sure. You're going to meet a lot of great people, huh? What about the people?
So there's amazing people in here.
Yeah.
The ladies in the office, you guys, I mean, teachers, everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone is,
And all the students. I mean, we had a great group this time. This is only our second class. It was a smaller class. It was, very hands-on because there was only like really six people or 7 people in the class.
And we have lucky, because I saw the other pictures there, and the Genie Land is, like 20, 30 guys there.
Yes.
And we was just 6 guys, so it was, great for us.
Yeah.
Because we enjoyed the tools, we enjoyed everything.
And you drove from Colorado.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3 days.
Yeah, 3 days to get here. So
3 days.
you drive from Colorado. Manny drove from New Mexico, and the gentleman flew all the way from the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah, 9,000 miles. So no matter where you are out there in YouTube land, come on here if you need us to get you a visa. You know what I'm saying? Like just contact us on the phone number down below. And if you have any questions, always feel free to contact me anytime. But I really want to say thanks so much for driving the 3 days to come here.
No, thank you, guys.
And spending the time with us. Okay.
Thanks.
We're with Alex Alipio
Yes, from
Manila,
Manila,
from Manila, Philippines, and he has traveled the furthest out of anybody from the whole class. He's traveled over 9,000 miles to come to the Polished Concrete University. I want to welcome you, Alex,
Yeah,
thank you so much for coming. By the way,
thank you.
Share with everybody out there. I mean, 'cause there's a lot of people out there from the Philippines and further, maybe that may be watching YouTube right now.
Yeah.
And that may be thinking about getting into the polished concrete industry. What can you tell them about the Polished Concrete University?
Well, as I attended this class because I've seen this in YouTube with you discussing all about the polished concrete, and then when I've seen this, then I got interested, and then I got attached watching this.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it makes me feel like crazy, huh? So I do my research about this,
Yes.
and then I find it really interesting. That's
Yeah.
why I really decided to attend this class.
Good.
Yeah, but I've learned so much from this. So it's not only the concrete polish, but other things. So I think this is very educational. You learn a lot from this.
Right.
So I want to invite you to attend the PCU again.
Awesome.
Together with my
My
professor,
new friend and professor.
professor,
Yes.
Chris Lavin, and he's very nice person.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, you will learn a lot, and that's a promise.
It is a promise.
Yeah.
So you're the second. This is the second class. You're the second person from the Philippines.
Yeah.
Next month we have a gentleman coming from Nigeria.
Yeah.
So he's excited to come. We have people come from all over the United States and out of the country. If somebody needs to have a visa letter written for them,
Yeah.
they just contact me and I'll be more than happy to put a visa letter together stating that you're coming out of the country to get permission.
Yeah.
Some places they need it. I don't think the Philippines you need to have permission to leave, do you?
Yeah, it is that I'm just lucky to have my my US visa.
Oh, you have a U.S. visa.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
not everybody has that.
No. So it's not hard for me to get through to your country.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, and I've been here for many times. So
Cool.
Yeah,
So you've decided to purchase a small machine that you used in the class.
yeah, I will.
Yes.
I'll arrange everything when I get back to Manila
Right.
and buy the genie.
The concrete genie.
Yeah, the concrete genie together with the package.
Yeah.
But right now I'm buying some stuffs with your company. But before I already did.
Yes.
And I've shown it to you.
Yes.
And I'm so happy using that.
Yeah.
Because now I'm doing projects with one of the biggest Gen Cons in Philippines.
Yeah.
I'm using the grabbers, the
dust grabber.
the dust grabbers, and
Yeah.
the what do you call this, a
The
T-seg.
T-seg cup wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then some resins. So hopefully, I'm looking forward to doing business now in Philippines with the XPS and PCU.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
if anybody's out there in the Philippines and they're looking to get their floors polished, okay, Alex would be more than happy to accommodate you. So make sure you contact us either down below at the 800 number, or you can contact us via email, and I'll get you Alex's contact information so he can come out and give you a price proposal.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
All right. But
I've learned so much with just a few days attending this seminar and trainings. Well, I'm so happy.
worthwhile.
Worthwhile. Yeah.
Awesome.
Worth it. Yeah.
I want to say thank you again for coming. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And in closing, I just want to say I'm very grateful to be able to share with people the knowledge that I've developed over the course of time, because I feel it's really a good way for me to give back. If I can make you successful, you know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful thing, and make sure you share that with people over there on how to do floors, because we need more teachers.
Yeah, and it's a good thing that I've learned this one-on-one training,
Yeah,
hands-on.
hands-on, yeah.
I'm so happy with that.
So you are going to get your certificate.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
You passed your class with flying colors, and I want to say thanks again. Okay.
Yeah, thank you,
So
Chris.
all the best. Okay.
Thank you for
all right.
all the
Thank you.
learnings.
Our next visitor with us here today is Jared Hartley. And Jared, you're from Nebraska, right?
Yes.
What part of Nebraska are you from again?
North Platte, Nebraska.
North Platte, Nebraska. How did you come about and hear about us?
Online.
Online.
YouTube video started it all.
Okay. So you saw some videos.
Yep.
It led you into the university.
Yes.
Right, of learning how to polish concrete.
Absolutely.
And what type of business are you in right now?
I'm a painting contractor.
Okay. And how long
We do a lot of epoxy floors and stuff already, so I have a prep machine and I wanted to keep pushing.
Oh, you have a machine already?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. What kind of machine do you have?
Workmaster.
Okay. All right. And that's a polishing machine.
It is.
Okay. And you use that also to do prep for your epoxy?
I do.
Cool.
That's
Now,
what I use it for primarily.
what would you say to somebody out there that's in YouTube land that maybe has a machine or is thinking about getting a machine? How would you compare our machines that you use during the class here at Polish Concrete University compared to what you have there?
Okay. These machines, they work better. And when I got the chance to operate the Mammoth 800, I couldn't believe the wake of dust behind that thing. I couldn't believe how much it cut in the first cut.
Right.
I couldn't, I mean,
It's an amazing
compared to
machine.
what I've been doing with that machine, I mean, there's no comparison.
Well, you do have a smaller machine.
I do have a smaller machine, but
comparing a Genie to the smaller machine that you do have from the Workmaster people,
cuts faster.
a lot faster.
And a lot faster.
Yeah.
And time is money.
So you came down here, you never really polished concrete before. How many days did we spend on you trying to learn how to polish concrete, would you say? Out of the 5 days?
2.
2 days, right?
Yep.
And after that, you feel pretty comfortable with it going back home?
I feel comfortable.
So you're gonna be able to go home and you'll be able to polish the floor.
Yes.
Awesome. So if you were to tell anybody out there about your overall experience, grading it from on an A to an F scale, how would you grade us?
A plus.
A plus. All right.
And you guys brought all kinds of people in to help and minimize the amount of, I mean, because you'd had to go to 10 different places to get all this training.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. So we had the people from HP Spartaco come in.
Yep.
We had the people from New Look come in. Went on field trips to actual job sites, so you can actually see the machines and equipment in use, which is kind of nice.
Absolutely.
And you know, we had Jose from Rapid Set, who's a great, knowledgeable guy for the overlayments.
Overlayments, yeah.
Yeah. So
tooling, all kinds of different information, all kinds of different tools that you're going to need for the trade.
Yeah.
You know, that's what we're learning is what do we need?
Right.
How do we do it? You know.
So you would tell people to make sure to come down here for the class?
Yes, absolutely. You better come to the class.
Yeah.
Come to the class. If you're questioning it, you should come to the class.
Yeah. Otherwise,
it's a small investment for what you're going to get.
Yeah. We save people a lot of money, compared the mistakes in the
one
field.
set of tooling, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah, that's true. So it's really not a lot of money. It's compared to other polishing classes, they're way more money. This is the lowest price class. The other classes only go 3 days. We go 5 days. You know what I'm saying? Like, we take you through prep, how to install the overlayments, how to install micro toppings,
logos,
epoxy floors, decorative epoxy,
pit grout, cracks, everything.
A lot of different stuff. So anyways, I want to say thank you again for joining us here, Jared. It's been great getting to know you. Okay, and I look forward to doing a lot more with you in the future.
Likewise.
All right, thanks.